Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh and it's this awesome zucchini and mushroom Korean dish. Very easy to make and super yummy. So here are all the vegetables and everything that comes inside. I have some ginger that I grated up, shaved the carrot, chopped everything, have it all prepped and ready to go. And I'm going to make the rice first, so I added some butter and some ginger. Let that sit there for about a minute or so, and then I added in the water and the jasmine rice and brought that to a boil. I'm going to cook that for about 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, I switched over to the veggies and I'm going to pickle some of the white scallions. So I added some vinegar and some salt and set that aside. And then the other sauce I'm going to make has sugar in it and sesame oil and soy sauce. And what's awesome about HelloFresh is you don't have to subscribe to get the recipes, so I'll put the link below for this one, and you can follow at home if you want to without ordering a subscription. And then I also added some sriracha, and then gave that a good mix and set that aside, and then you could start cooking your veggies. So first I added the oil and added the carrots to it and some salt and pepper. Cook that for about 5 minutes or so. And once that's softened, you can remove it to a bowl. Add a little bit more oil to the pan and then add the zucchinis, salt and pepper to those as well, and cook those for about 5 minutes. Slightly longer depending on how thick your zucchinis are. Then remove those and do the same thing with the mushrooms, a little bit of oil, salt, pepper. Cook those for about 3 minutes or so. And then remove them from the pan. And last but not least, you're going to cook the eggs. The only way I can eat eggs, besides hard-boiled, is scrambled. And I know these are supposed to be like fried eggs on top, but I couldn't do it. I had to scramble them. So I just scrambled them for a minute or so until they were well cooked, and then they're done. So you got to put some rice down, add your veggies. Then you could add some of the pickled scallions and the egg and the sauce, and this was so delicious. I've never had a veggie meal from them that I didn't like. I can only remember one that was just all right. The other ones have been like over the top, just so good. So if you guys would like to order anything from HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.